Good afternoon. Today is March 17. We are at apartment block A, and this is another progress update video. As you can probably hear and see, the works are currently on hold because all of our workers have gone back to Java. For them, this is their only vacation during the year. For about 2 weeks, they spend time with their families. They can call it Mubarak or Eid al-Fitr. However, before they left, we managed to close the entire concrete perimeter of our underground parking level. The outer walls were cast in that zone and in that zone. From the vertical structures, we only have the elevator shaft walls and the stair core remaining. In addition, ahead of time, we installed formwork elements for the horizontal slab between the parking level and the first floor, so that when the workers return, they can immediately place the laminated plywood formwork and proceed straight to slab reinforcement without wasting time. In that zone and in that zone, the structural solutions for the beam-to-column connections have already been approved. The key feature here is that the first floor slab, where the lobby is located, is arranged. The key feature here is that the first floor slab, where the lobby is located, is arranged on 2 different levels. This requires high accuracy in defining the concrete pour level of the columns to ensure proper connection and load transfer. For this reason, before casting, we marked the top level of the concrete. This allows the formwork to be installed directly at the correct joint location. Since the slab is 2-level, the joints are also located at different elevations. As we can see, this task has been successfully completed, and this is what the second elevator shaft looks like. As we can see, the formwork is assembled. Unfortunately, the workers did not have time to strip it, but this will be done immediately after they return. Once the perimeter is completed, they will proceed with this formwork installation and reinforcement of the shaft walls. This is how the external surface of the walls looks after the concreting and formwork removal. And the next step is waterproofing to protect the structure from groundwater. The surfaces will be ground, all cavities will be treated to achieve a smooth finish without sharp edges, so that waterproofing can be properly applied and later backfilled without damage. As we can see, the texture is even and the surface is almost ready for the next stage of works, which will begin right after the workers return from their vacation. We also have some positive updates. The working documentation for phase 2 of the project has already been issued and is now approximately 90% approved. Elevation levels for the villas, roads, gradients, and overall site grading have been defined. At this stage, we are carrying out a detailed verification of the external utility networks to ensure proper coordination across all systems. All required permits have been obtained, which means there are no administrative constraints moving forward. As soon as the Umiri team returns, earthworks will begin immediately in line with the planned schedule. In addition, the tower crane is now operating at full capacity. The final vertical structural elements of apartment block A were cast using the crane, which has already demonstrated its efficiency on site. This will allow us to maintain a high pace of construction while ensuring consistency in execution. With the crane fully integrated into the workflow, we expect improved logistics, reduced manual handling, and better control over installation processes. Overall, this will support a stable construction rhythm and helps us stay aligned with the project timeline.